In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete card from Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what to look out for so you can remove a card confidently and without confusion. Before we begin, make sure your Wise app is updated to the latest version and that you have a stable internet connection. This helps ensure the screens you see match what I'm describing. First, open the Wise app and sign into your account. Once you're in, your home screen may show your balances and recent activity. We're heading to the section where your cards live. Look for the option labeled Cards. Depending on your layout, this might be along the bottom menu or listed in your main navigation. Tap it to open your card controls. Inside Cards, you'll see your active card, and if you have more than one, like a physical and a virtual card, make sure you're viewing the specific card you want to delete. Tap into that card to access its details and settings. You're now on the Manage Card screen where you can adjust various options. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right card, especially if you have similar names or designs. From here, scroll down through the Manage Card options. You might see controls such as spending limits, security settings, and other management tools. Keep scrolling until you find the option to delete card. This is typically placed near the bottom so you don't hit it by accident. When you tap delete card, the app may display a confirmation prompt to make sure this is really what you want. Deleting a card is generally permanent for that specific card number, and any recurring payments or subscriptions tied to it will stop working. Your account balance and other cards won't be affected, but the card you delete will no longer be available for purchases. If you're removing a card because of a temporary concern, like you misplaced it, but think it might turn up, consider using the freeze option instead, which pauses transactions without fully deleting the card. However, if you're certain you want it gone, proceed with delete card. Once it's deleted, you should see that card disappear from your list. Past transactions will remain in your activity for your records, but the card itself won't be usable. If you don't see the delete option, double check that you're on the correct card and scroll all the way down. In some cases, regional features or specific card types can affect what's available. And that's it. Simple and clean. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Wise cards with confidence.